Ken Wenger, our next speaker, is the Chief Technology Officer at Squint AI. He is also a he's a research scholar at Toronto Metropolitan University. Ken is going to be talking to us about squinting vision pipelines and how they can detect and correct errors at runtime. Please help me welcome Ken Wenger.
So my name is Ken Wenger, and I'll be here talking to you about Squint AI, our company, and the work that we're doing to understand model behavior, when they make mistakes, why they make mistakes. Can we do something about that, detect those mistakes at runtime, and maybe even fix them, correct them? Humans squint when we're not sure. AI can squint too. That is our tagline. But it is actually a lot more than that. This is how we fundamentally see the difference between how humans process information and how AI processes information today. When I look into the distance and I try to make sense of what I'm seeing, sometimes I squint to focus, like I'm doing now because I can barely see because of the lights. I squint to focus. In order to do that, the first thing I do is I acknowledge that the information I'm getting is not good enough. So I have to take a moment to take in more data, reassess my initial assumptions, and perhaps the picture will become clearer. And sometimes that picture does not become clear, right? Sometimes you can squint, and nature is such that you still can't see very clearly and can't make sense of what you're looking at. In those cases, we still give ourselves pause, and we don't make a decision. We delay that response because we know whatever data we're getting, it's still not good enough. Now, by and large, this is not how AI functions today. And so at Squint AI, that's what we're changing, is the idea that you don't have to make a decision if you're not ready.